गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, पीओवी विद विनू में वापस आपका स्वागत है। और गेस करो हम लोग आज कहाँ जा रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू IBW, इंडियन बाइक वीक 2025 दोस्तों। सो आई हैव नेवर बीन टू IBW, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है इन द लाइफ एंड प्रिटी एक्साइटेड। मेरे साथ 3 लोग हैं। सो 2 people आर फ्रॉम मुंबई इटसेल्फ, यति एंड वेंकी, जो अपने खेड़ के ब्लॉग में उनको देखा रहेगा, तो उनके साथ मैं राइड कर रहा हूँ। एंड वी विल बी मीटिंग माई सिस्टर भानु इन पचगणी इटसेल्फ एंड शी इज़ राइडिंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। सो उसके लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम है IBW। इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन एक्साइटिंग जर्नी। मैं पूरा ब्लॉग बनाने वाला हूँ, तो चलिए चलते हैं। अभी हम लोग NMMC बिल्डिंग जा रहे हैं जो बेलापुर में है। That's the meetup point for all 3 of us. I am as usual running late and I need to hurry up. I need to pack up. This is my luggage setup. If you can see, ये मेरा luggage setup है, right? So let's directly meet at NMMC. चलो। चलो गाइस, चलो, लेट्स गो। As usual, we have headed out and it's a beautiful morning, boys and girls. See, this is how this road looks. Okay, and यहाँ से 49 minutes बता रहा है, 6:24. I'm a little late as usual.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
And it's a beautiful morning, as you can see for yourself. And we are here for a considerably good ride. Like, it's not very long also and it's not very short also. It's a Panchagani ride to IBW. So pretty excited to see the new stuff in IBW, this being my first time. I'll be vlogging in English for this one.
Oh my god!
Yeah, so we're going to be meeting in NMMC, me, Yati and Venki, and I'll be meeting my sister Bhanu in Panchagani itself. So pretty excited about this. Let's go, boys and girls. Hello guys, so my boys are here. This is Yati. Hi Yati.
Hi.
And this is our very own Venki. So here we are. We are just at the meeting point over here, like I told you. So we are just 3 of us and we will kick off as soon as possible. And we'll probably wait for some chai and some vada pav sort of a thing before we enter the Goa highway and stuff. So yeah. The scenery is absolutely mesmerizing. You can see the event horizon. I mean, we've been through this road lot of times, but I tell you guys, winter is the time when you ride your heart out, in my honest opinion, because this is the best time of the year to go on rides, and it's cold and stuff, so enjoy the entire ride and you don't get humidity and sweat and stuff like that. So yeah, this is absolutely awesome, guys. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. तो आई नो ये थोड़ा ऐसा रस्टिक दिख रहा है. अमृततुल्य चाय. हम लोग चाय पीने रुके एंड अभी हम लोग चाय पी के हम लोग डायरेक्ट होटल उत्सव में रुकेंगे, जो खेड़ के टाइम पे भी रुके थे. तो बेसिकली वी विल रीच बाय मे बी 11:30ish. सो या, लेट्स मीट सून. Hopefully we don't get traffic, but that's a good hope to keep. Can't bank on it though, but yeah. So the bike in front of you guys is Royal Enfield Meteor 350, and on the bike is our friend Yayati Panchal aka Yeti, and I am waiting for Venki, who's on Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Can you see the sun? Yep, there you go. It's a Thursday morning. Time is 7:40 a.m. and we are on the Goa highway NH66. We don't want to jinx it, but so far the roads are absolutely blissful because there's no traffic and it is completely concrete and smooth. So we are just cruising along. We are not even like, going for the speed thrills and stuff. We're just cruising. So, this is Venki on his Himalayan 450. Venki alias Venkatesh. Are you seeing this, guys? Mesmerizing. We stopped over and we are going to be stopping over. We are treating this like a content ride as well, so might as well stop, because we're not going to be taking a lot of time. Any which ways we don't have any timeline as such, because the event is tomorrow and our check-in time is around 1 o'clock or something. So yeah, we might as well stop and do some content shooting. Guys, are you sick? Are you seeing this, guys? This is Mahal for you. and it's literally 9 o'clock in the morning, and this is not smog, this is fog.
अल्लाह माफ करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो, तौबा तौबा तौबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
And the visibility is also poor. Okay. Holy! Can you see the sun? It looks like moon. What is this, guys? Guys, this is the most blissful experience. This is how you end the year 2025. Trust me, guys. This is how you end it. This is India for you. This is nature for you. This is December for you in India. And we are on NH66 Goa Highway on our way to Panchgani. And the sun is looking like moon, and the road is barely visible. What's up, guys? हम लोग फिर पहुंच चुके हैं उत्सव होटल, और आप देख सकते हो कि क्या ही फॉग है यार, क्या फॉग है. मतलब विजिबिलिटी, जीरो विजिबिलिटी वाला,
zero visibility
100 मीटर्स के आगे दिख ही नहीं रहा है. ये देखो, लिटरली उसके आगे, वो पॉइंट के आगे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. अपना 3 बाइक्स, अपने बंदे. नाउ विल हैव सम मस्त वाला ब्रेकफास्ट. ओके, 110 किलोमीटर्स. हेलो गाइस, वी आर हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट, एंड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट वी आर हैविंग द वन एंड ओनली Maharashtra's best breakfast dish, misal pav. All three of us. Here is Yati. Here is Venki. Here are our helmets. And this is us in Hotel Utsav, enjoying our breakfast. Now the roads are pretty bright and pretty sunny, I must say. It's 10:31 and the ride's been pretty smooth and exciting up till now. What roads, man, what roads! It looks like everyone is on strike or something. There's no traffic, okay, and we are like, you can see we are cruising around 90-95, and I kid you not, guys, this road amuses everyone riding to Goa, or through this highway, on this highway. During the Khed vlog, you might have seen there were many parts which we couldn't shoot properly because the rains, and now it's so clear and so nice. Is this Ducati Multistrada? I think it is. We were discussing the same thing a while ago. I might tag this guy. It's called Medico Rider Amol. Oh, it's Triumph 660, guys. Yeah. Supposedly, this ghat is the longest in Maharashtra, and all the twisties and slopes and valleys are seen around here. So once we cross this ghat, we are inside Panchgani. Is like sorry, we will first reach Mahabaleshwar, and from there we'll be reaching Panchgani. So that's the equation. Overall, these twisties are, in a way, makes you playful. Not compromising the safety, of course, but you know, just to corner, and so we are enjoying it. You see this? Beautiful, right? So we just halted for a quick Nimbu Pani break on the ghats. So yeah, pleasant, peaceful. The roads are not that great, but the twisties make you feel exciting, and riding. Like I told you, it feels playish. Not in an unprofessional way, but you are kind of excited, right? So yeah, this is the view, guys. Absolutely beautiful. We had food, nice food, delicious food, and now we are just heading out to just local. थोड़ा घूमेंगे. We'll just roam around Panchgani. And this is apparently our hotel / resort. It's so massive. I'll show you the video of like a walk around of our room. It's really mesmerizing for the price that we got it for. This is the echo that you hear. This is the, what do you call, the passage of our hotel. It has like line mein there are rooms. Line mein pura. Nike is in that room. This is our room. This is supposedly a single twin occupancy room. And see the size of the room, guys. ये क्या है? इतना बड़ा. There's literally 2 beds, like one double bed, the other one over there. And there's like this some empty space out of nowhere. Like I don't even know why that exists. And look at this view. And we got it so in budget. Like we are not able to believe that we've got such a big room in such a budget that we have. We didn't expect this to be so good. But रात में अलग scene हो सकता है because this is literally deserted. So stay tuned.